Okay. Emily. Wow. It's tough to work with that magic going on. Do you need some attention? Where are you going tonight? Not by the office. Where are you going tonight? Are you excited?
Yes.
Is today your birthday?
Yes.
Yay! Wow. Okay.
Wait.
Hey, look at that pretty Christmas tree. Look at that pretty Christmas tree. All right, it's time to pack it up and say bye.
Wait.
Backpack monster.
Bye.
Bye. Happy birthday, Emily.
I'm stuck.
Bye.
I'm stuck.